So today on the workbench is something a little different. We have a 3D printed cosplay weapon that my son Sam wanted. So we've painted it all up, and today we are going to glue it together and turn it into our working prop. And another thing that we have today that's pretty exciting is a special guest star. So Sammy, who is here today, who doesn't understand all this craziness I do in the basement and who hears mommy say that we should stop spending money on RC cars, is gonna help us glue up this prop weapon that he picked out online, that we printed and that we decorated, and now we're gonna put it together. So again, something a little different this time. So as always, please, if you like what we're doing, subscribe to this channel. So Sammy, what game is this from?
Apex Legends.
Apex Legends? Do you play a lot of Apex Legends?
Yes.
Yeah. So how did you find this weapon online? Where did you get the STL file from?
Thingiverse.
Thingiverse. And did you look for a lot of them before you found it, or this was the first one you saw and you just liked it?
I had to look through like 2 pages before I found it.
Okay. And then we printed it up, and we had a little trouble printing it, right? It took about like 24 hours to probably print the whole thing. There was all different pieces that we had to do, and it was running great, and at the end a couple of the pieces just didn't want to stick to the bed, so we printed a raft and it seemed to work. But there's a lot of little different pieces. Whoever made this model did a really good job of slicing it so that it's easy to print, and it should go together pretty well. So we've already dry fit it once, right Sam?
Yeah.
And it seems to work. We painted it up with some different paints. So how does it go together? These guys go together, right? Here, show me how it goes together, buddy.
Take these 2.
Okay. All right, so that's gonna go in there. So we need to glue those 2 together, right? But does something go in there?
Yeah, I have to put
this guy, the trigger.
So take this over here.
Is it gonna fit, or do we have to file it down a little bit?
We might have to push it down a little bit because of the paint.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't fit fully.
All right.
And then we would put these 2 together.
Oh, okay, I see.
And then this would go here. It goes a certain way.
Okay. All right, well, you ready to do it? We'll get the files, and we'll file some stuff down, and we'll glue it all together. We'll put it all together. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so that seems to just a little bit more.
Alright.
That guy? Whichever way it goes. And then we're gonna do all this, like we can.
Oh, we're just gonna stick them both together.
Yeah. I had to wait a little while. I wasn't thinking it would be this hard to get it to connect, but. This piece up top, like,
I think so.
right? So
Doesn't
like,
really matter that much. To me, at least.
so I think we just kind of hold this here, right?
Yeah.
So that'll do that. So, oh, that's who made it. Ryan Coe. This little piece here goes where, Sammy? It's like that?
Maybe.
Or is it like that? I don't know. There's like a little bracket. I don't know. We'll have to see. I think that's.
I think that's how it's supposed to go.
Maybe it's like that. Yeah, I don't know. We probably should have watched the video on how it goes together. So that's together. Maybe this goes in like this, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's the direction. You ready to do this one?
I think maybe. So this goes first, right?
Yeah, make sure that fits.
Okay. So that goes like that, right? Okay. How do you want it?
Just keep it in all the way, I guess.
Keep it in all the way?
Looks weird sticking out.
Doesn't
I
it?
don't really know why it sticks out.
That just might be the design of the gun.
Yeah, I don't know. The point of it sticking out is. Should we do this on one side again? Or both?
Or one side. You don't want to overglue it, so one.
Yeah. Because that's going on later.
What do you mean? No, it's going on now, baby.
We're sticking it together.
Yeah, I think we should put it together now. Yeah, it's fitting good.
Slow.
Whoa. Actually, we should put this guy on. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Here you go.
Mm-hmm.
Does it look like the gun from the game?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. This was a quick little different episode of our workbench series. We really had a lot of fun making this. This was an easy model to do. We'll put a link down in the description below to the STL if you want to get your own. It was free, it was on Thingiverse. We used regular PLA to print it. Like I said, it took about 24 hours over, you know, multiple prints, but it worked out really well. Sammy may paint a little bit more. Maybe we'll, like, you know, make some of these guys black or silver or something. But all in all, it is a fun little cosplay project if you're into, what was the game again, Sammy?
Apex Legends.
Yeah, well, if you're into Apex Legends, this might be a fun little thing to make. So as always, please, if you like what we're doing, subscribe to the channel and like these videos so my wife will keep letting us make these. Thanks again. Bye-bye.